All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Wednesday's adverb. No, adjective. Adjective. International. 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 Yes. All around the world. So here, international. Yeah. Yeah. So being of more than one country. I am an international man. This is an international business. International business, yeah. I teach people from all over the world, so I have an international school. Yeah. How cool is that? These are international inventions, different technologies from all over the world. Yes, that will be a very international convention with a lot of people going to it. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So, they used to be quite international. There used to be a lot of people here, but not anymore. Yeah. But London is a very international city. There are people living in it from all over the world. How cool is that? Yeah. I am reading these international laws. So I have a book about international laws that I'm reading and learning about. I have a book about international laws that I am reading and learning about. Yeah. How cool is that? When will you see those international movies? So there are some international movies that I have to watch. Some of them are classics. Yeah, from different countries. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, international, being of more than one country. Now, language explorers, can you use international in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.